Welcome back. In the last video, we have discussed about finding the length of a string. So we have used the library function strlen. Also, we have seen that how we can write our own, code in order to find the length of the string. So in the last class, we have seen within the while loop how we have calculated the length of the string, right? And also we have seen how using a pointer we find the length of the string. Okay. So in this particular video, we'll see how to write a program in C to reverse a string. Okay. And as I told you in the last particular video that this is one of the most important question that is asked during the interview. This also, the program to reverse a string is also a very important question. So there are two ways to which we can do it. One, we can simply, find the length of the string, okay, through strlen, okay. And then after once you find the length of the string, yes, and then we can simply reverse the string, okay, which I will going to show you. Another way is that we have already know how to write the code for finding the length of the string. And once we find the length of the string, then again we use the logic, okay, which I will show to you in order to find the reverse of the string, right? So all of us know that we can use this function as I was showing you strlen, okay. But what we do that we'll find the length ourselves, and then we're going to reverse the string, okay. So let me put this code in under comment itself, okay. We'll not use a pointer first, okay. So let us start with I equal to 0, the code that we have done in order to find the length, okay. So we got the length of the string, right? Say for example the string is Bhupesh, so the length is length is 7, okay, right? Length is 7, okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to reverse the string. That means we're going to go to the end of the length, okay, and then after that we'll put a loop, and we decrease the counter from 7 to 0 itself, because and then we'll put the entire character into the new string itself. So let us take the new string itself as reverse. So reverse, okay. Oh, that is a word in the reverse. So I write strev, strev, okay, strev, okay, strsrev, okay. So that I give 30, yes, and this is my reverse string itself. So I got this length, okay. Then while next, okay, length, okay, length is greater than equal to 0, yes. So what I will going to do, I will copy this particular, strs, okay, rev, okay. But the first character of str will be the last character of the string, right? So I will put one particular variable like, the same I equal to 0, okay. And I will put here I. So first character will be equal to the last character, right? So that character is nothing but str, okay, str, str, str length. Okay. But we know as in the array, all of us know that it start with 0. So if the length is 7, so therefore the character will start from 0 and it will go till where? It will go till 6, right? Okay, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. So that equals to be the 7. So that means this length, okay, should be nothing but 7. So should be nothing but 6, because typically length is 7, but we know the uh, array starts from 0, right? So 0 to 6 it will be, right? So the last character that will be stored, it will be in 6. So if you take the example of Bhupesh, so the length is 7, as it start from 0, so it will go till 6, right? Now we got length value is 7, right? It should be 6. So I just simply will put, okay, that length minus minus in the beginning at the top, okay. So it will come to 6, okay. And then I will increment I value, okay, and then in increment the length value. Yes, done. And then simply I will write printf, okay. So I will just cut off this, right? Okay, let me put it here. Okay, the reverse string, Okay, REVR, uh, REVRSE reverse string is percentage S and then STRS. Okay, STRS REV. Okay, fine. So let me save it and now let me learn the program. Okay, so let me give Bhupesh. Okay, so the reverse string is fine. Okay, so the reverse string is H S E P U H B, right? So I got it, right? So let me give another value that is something like Bhupesh is good. So I should have reverse string. Let me see. Good will be DOOG. Okay, SI, yes, and that. So I got it, right? So the reverse, yes, string is this, okay? And also we know that there is one library function, um, the library function to find that the reverse of the string is, okay, strrev function that we can call. So let me give a slash n, and it is nothing but strrev, right? Okay, and the string value. What is that? str, correct. Okay, so let me save. So let me write. So Bhupesh. So I got it. Yes, with my own function, I got it also, and also with the library function that is strrev. Okay, right? So I think the code, the entire the logic is clear. What I have done is that I found the length of the string. So this is what I got, the length of the string. Okay, and then what I have done is that the last character I put into the new string, the reverse string is the first character. Now, as I told you, if my string is Bhupesh and the length of the string is 7, but in an array in C implementation, we know the starting index is 0. So it will start from 0 and end in 6. So my last character will be at position what? 6. That is the reason why I have put here length minus minus. Okay, I have decreased the value of 1, and then I have used a while loop till the length value is equal to 0. Okay, and then each of this last from the last character itself. Okay, I have put it into the first character, first last character. I put it the first character of the string reverse. Similarly, the second last will be the second character, third last. This way I have done it. Okay, and then also I have shown you how to use the function strrev, right? So now this particular same code, okay, same code I can use using a pointer also, which I have done like this. So let me again copy this, how to use using a pointer, right? So let me put it here. Yes, so let me now hide this code, right? Okay, start this, right? So now, yes, okay, so I have used pointer now, correct? So I have used a pointer in order to find the length of the string. Yes, okay, and similarly I can use another pointer, say sptr, okay, strrev, yes, which will be equal to nothing but strsrev. Okay, yes, and let me declare this pointer character star sptrrev. Okay, right? Yes, so now using the pointer as sptr, which is pointing to the string, I have found out the length, okay, which we have discussed in the last class. Okay, I'm again repeating. Still, I get this null character. Okay, I'm increasing the value of length. Okay, and then I'm increasing the pointer by 1. Yes, and initially length I have to put it equal to 0. Yes, okay, fine. So now once it has been done, right, then I know what the value of length is. I have minus length minus minus I. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to store, right? So this particular code will be changed. It will be like this. It will be star s t p r r e v equal to, okay, star str, okay, str, okay, right? uh, 1 minute, I have to put a bracket, so star strp plus I, yes, okay, because I have to go to that index value, right? So str star str plus len, yes. So now my pointer will be strv plus 1, but the value of I is 0, so it will be in the first slot itself. And str plus length, I got the length value. For example, if it is Bhupesh, I have told you, right? So length value is 7, but as an array it's starting from 6 0. Okay, we have the value 6, so that is why length minus minus, so this will be 6. So str plus 6 will give me nothing but age. So age will be stored in the first character of strEV. Similarly, next it will be s, which will be stored. Okay, and I'm increasing the value of I, and I'm reducing the value of length. Okay, and now, yes, I will use the print function. I will not use that strb. I will just use, okay, star st st stp rre rrev. Yes, okay, right. So that is what I have used. Okay, let me include this comment. So now I should get the string reverse, right? Using the pointer. Let me see. So let me execute. Oh, strEV spt, sorry, spt. It says spt pointer, right? Spt. Okay. So now I save it. Let me execute. Expected semicolon. Okay, fine. Semicolon is there. Let me execute. Spt. Again, the spelling mistake I have done. Okay, save it. Execute. Okay, let me say Bhupesh. Oh, okay. So I'm not getting the answer, right? Let me see what is the problem. Let me check what exactly the problem is. Okay, so if you see, the mistake that I have done is that I put a star here because I have to print the string. So simply, I can give str sptrev. Okay, so simply it will display the string. So let me see Bhupesh. Okay, then enter. So I got it, the reverse of the string. Okay, so let me see another string. Bhupesh is good. Yes, I got it. Yes, right? Okay, so let me again revisit the code. What I have done, I have put another pointer. Okay, what is the name of the pointer? sptr, okay, rev, right? And okay, this pointer is pointing to this strs rev, which I have created a string. Okay, and then simply the code. Okay, length I have got it. Length minus minus, you come to know why, because it is an array starting from 0. Okay, so if I take Bhupesh, length is 7, so but it should it should end at 6 because array start from 0, right? So length minus minus, so I'm giving a loop while length is not equal to 0. Okay, then I equal to 0. So SPTR plus I means is the first character we are talking about, and STR plus len means we are talking about the last character. I'm storing the last character as the first character in the string reverse. Okay, and I'm continuing to do so till the length of is equal to 0. And then simply I return the reverse of the string is SPTR REP. Okay, so this is the program in order to find the reverse of a string. Yes, it's a very important question in the perspective of interview. Okay, I hope you have understood the entire logic behind finding the reverse of the string. So if you are liking my videos, kindly do share and subscribe, and thank you for watching my video again. Thank you so much.